Xiaomi has launched the MIJIA Graphene folding skirting board electric heater ultra-thin model in China. The new electric heater is available for pre-order from September 14. The heater is rated at 2200 watt and can raise the room's temperature by 5 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes. It can be folded in half, making it compact for easy storage. The heater is 6 centimeters thick and 1.5 meters long when unfolded. The heater's panel can be folded at 90 degrees as well. The MIJIA Graphene folding electric heater uses a 1.29 meters heating element made from graphene for more efficient heating. Xiaomi says the heating method provides comfort to the skin as the skin is not likely to be dried. It maintains a constant temperature, while an overheating protection switch is an added safety layer. Users can adjust the temperature via the heater's touchscreen. You can also set a timer for up to 12 hours using the touchscreen. It can also be controlled by XiaoAI voice commands of the MIJIA app. Using a built-in touchscreen, you can adjust the temperature from 16 to 28 degrees Celsius and set a timer for up to 12 hours. Alternatively, you can control the foldable electric heater with XiaoAI voice commands of the MIJIA app. From September 14, you can pre-order the Xiaomi MIJIA Graphene folding skirting board electric heater ultra-thin model in China for 799 yuan or $115. The device is expected to retail for 899 yuan or $130 in the future. Xiaomi has not provided any global availability and pricing details yet for the product. It is also unclear when the first deliveries will be made after the pre-order process kicks off. What do you think about the new Xiaomi electric heater? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you soon.